In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change business hours on Vagaro. If you're running a service-based business, you know how crucial it is to keep your business hours up to date. It not only helps in managing your appointments efficiently, but also keeps your clients informed about when you're available. Vagaro, being one of the leading software solutions for service businesses, offers a straightforward way to update your business hours. Today, we'll walk you through this process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll be able to adjust your schedules with ease. Let's start by navigating to Vagaro. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Vagaro website address. Once the webpage loads, you'll find yourself on the home page of this comprehensive platform. Next, you'll want to access your account. To do this, look towards the top right corner of the home page. You'll see a login button, give that a click. This action prompts you to enter your credentials, but for a quicker access, especially if you have linked accounts, you can choose to log in with Google. This option streamlines the process, pulling your Google account details so you don't have to remember an additional set of credentials. After clicking on Login with Google, you'll be presented with a list of accounts. Select the Google account you've linked with Vagaro. This step is crucial for ensuring that you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple businesses or have personal and work accounts. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard of Vagaro. To proceed, look for the Go to My Business option. This will transition you from your consumer profile to your business profile, where you can manage appointments, services, and crucially, your business hours. Now, to the meat of the matter, adjusting the business hours. From your business dashboard, navigate to the settings. This option is usually represented by a gear icon or can be found within a menu depending on your device. Settings is where you'll find all the options to customize your business profile, including business hours. Within settings, your next stop is employee profiles. This is where Vagaro allows you to manage not just the services each professional offers, but also their availability, including days and hours they work. This level of granularity ensures that your clients always know when their favorite service providers are available. In the employee profiles section, you'll see a list of your staff. Beside each name, there's a menu icon represented by 3 dots. Clicking on this icon brings up a context menu with various options. What we're interested in today is the hours option. Selecting this allows you to view and edit the work schedule of that particular employee. Editing the schedule is intuitive. You'll be presented with a grid where you can set work days, start times, and end times. This is where you make the necessary adjustments to reflect any changes in the employee's availability, whether it's extending hours, reducing them, or changing the days they work. You have complete control over their schedule here. After you've made your adjustments, the last step is to save your changes. Look for the Save option, usually located at the bottom or top right corner of the screen. Clicking Save finalizes the changes, instantly updating the schedule for both your team and your clients. It's a good practice to confirm the changes by viewing the employee's schedule again, or checking how it's displayed to your clients on the booking page. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to updating business hours on Vagaro. This simple task is a significant aspect of managing your business on this platform, ensuring that your operations run smoothly and your clients are always in the know. Remember, keeping your business hours updated is not just about internal scheduling. It directly impacts your client's ability to book appointments. As such, regular checks and adjustments to these hours can significantly enhance your client's experience and satisfaction. Plus, it's a great way to manage your staff workload effectively. We hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more practical tutorials on making the most of Vagaro's features to streamline your business operations. Thanks for watching.